products. Now, to talk more on the matter is the Chief Public Relations Officer in the Ministry of Finance and Public Enterprises, Wilson Shikoto. A very good evening, Mr. Shikoto. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good evening. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
All right. Now, Mr. Shikoto, why did the ministry see a need not to charge VAT on sanitary pads products?
Thank you very much for the question. There had been a public outcry, and the voice is on the girl's child all over the country, not only on villages or regions, but in towns also. And the girl child has been absent from class due to challenges of sanitary pads, and this has been a very long outcry. Government responded to the public outcry, adding to the recommendation made by lawmakers to zero rate the sanitary pads. It should be pointed out that that government does listen to the public at the appropriate time. Government does act through following the correct channels. And at this regard, government has acted. Therefore, we should again announce that as of Sunday, the 1st of January, 2023, purchases of sanitary pads are to be zero rated, and this simply means all sanitary pads in the categories as defined by the law will not be charged with value-added tax.
All right. Now, pads are not only the sanitary products that women use when they are on their periods. What about tampons and menstrual cups? Do those also apply? If not, why not?
The amendment law clearly defines what products are targeted at this point. First, it should be understood that the law is amended to assist and respond to the outcry of the nation in reducing or completely removing the value-added tax on sanitary pads. Therefore, when the government heeded this call, it's to assist the vulnerable and the poverty-stricken women, particularly the girl child in the villages and towns who cannot afford to buy sanitary pads. Secondly, the definition of what constitutes a sanitary pad in the law in this regard is that sanitary pads are menstrual pads of all types and characteristics. All types of maternity pads, panty liners, which are similar to menstrual pads and are lighter or thinner. However, in that explanation that I just gave, I did not mention tampons. Therefore, tampons of all types, as per the law, with or without applicator, menstrual caps, feminine sanitary wipes, period or leak-proof underwear, or any incontinence towel or pads are not included in this amendment. And to answer your question straight, it means tampons of all sorts are not included in this amendment. This simply focuses on sanitary pads to ease the life of those who struggle to purchase sanitary pads just for comfort during the monthly time.
Now, Mr. Shikoto, have all registered VAT vendors adjusted their sales systems in order to implement the new provision?
I should believe so. I think they should, and as per the information circulated. If they did not, they are required to do so by the law. And in an event where they overcharge clients, they will be required to refund the amount they have collected unlawfully. The public should also be informed that now the Ministry of Finance has completed its mission. Therefore, NAMRA, as an implementing agency, will take over now to make sure that the law is adhered to. Members of the public must report to NAMRA or to the Namibian police any vendor, whether retailer or wholesalers, that is charging VAT on the sale of sanitary pads that qualified to be zero rated.
Mr. Shikoto, thank you so much for joining us this evening. We appreciate all the information that you had for us.
Thank you so much.
All right. That is Shikoto, Wilson Shikoto, talking to us there. He is the Chief Public Relations Officer in the Ministry of Finance and Public Enterprises, talking to us about PEDS. As from the 1st of January, PEDS, all sanitary products, pardon me, some sanitary products, specifically PEDS, will not be charged VAT. Don't go anywhere.